Hello everyone, I'm Rick Sterling, the President of Western IM, and thanks for looking at our WISPIR Information Inventory tool. WISPIR was developed essentially out of self-defense. All this several years ago while we were doing a 100,000 box physical records inventory project for a public sector client. The size of that organization spanned over 110 different locations across a very large geographic area. Now, many of you don't have that size of physical inventory to deal with, and for that, you should be truly grateful. Suffice to say that in the end of a long and grueling, but successful 18-month project, that the code we wrote to assist us in that mission did the job, since we came in on time and under budget. We then did an immediate follow-on physical inventory project in one large records warehouse for a private sector client, and where we inventoried and validated what they had, or thought they had, and we enhanced the code again accordingly to make our lives easier for that project. At the end of all of that, we decided we should do something with the application, since very few suppliers were still building tools for physical information anymore, and almost none existed in the marketplace. At that moment, the WISPIR tool was born. Although it started out its life as the best physical inventory tool ever built, it has since turned into an exceptionally versatile application for content inventory for not only paper, but your organization's electronic information as well. Quick note for the technical folks watching this today, WISPIR was developed in .NET. It's a very current architecture, uses RESTful services calls to talk to its database, and there is an API. WISPIR is usually implemented in a cloud-based software as a service form, but it also functions well on-prem if that's required. Oh, and it's also passive, so as not to negatively impact users or IT. It's also fast and easy to use. Quick note on the versatility of the tool so that when you explore our videos further, you know where to start. Here's a brief list of projects some of our WISPIR clients are doing with the tool. Physical inventory, validation of paper information, of course. Shared drive cleanup, classification, reorganization, and migration to various EDRMS systems. Microsoft SharePoint, reorganization, inventory, corporate records migration. Replacement of a physical records management system. Replacement of a legacy database application, dedupe of a shared drive, and data mapping of electronic information sources like SharePoint, OneDrive, Google, Box, etc. Thanks again for having a look at WISPIR, and there are more videos on various components of the tool and the jobs that it can do on our website. Hope to see you there.